The title of my second talk is How to Become a Data Scientist, Engineer, with Free. This is the definition of data science. Primary focus, analysis and interpretation of data. The goal is to extract value from data. Role: data scientists use statistics, machine learning, and programming to gain insights from data and build predictive models. They turn data into actionable knowledge that can be used for business decision-making or research. Tools and techniques: programming languages like Python and R, machine learning libraries, statistical methods, data visualization tools, etc. And this is the definition of data engineering. Primary focus: building and managing the infrastructure for data collection, storage, and processing. The goal is to efficiently manage the flow of data. Role: data engineers design and implement databases, data pipelines, and ETL, extract, transform, load, processes. They set up the foundation that makes data accessible and analyzable for data scientists. They build systems that handle large volumes of data efficiently. Tools and techniques: SQL, NoSQL databases, big data processing frameworks, e.g., Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, cloud services, AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, etc. In summary: data science, analysis and extraction of insights from data. Data engineering, building the infrastructure for data collection, storage, and management. Both fields are complementary, and collaboration between data scientists and data engineers enables data-driven decision-making and the development of innovative solutions. Data science/engineering is a rapidly evolving field, so keep up with the latest trends, tools, and techniques by following blogs, attending conferences, and taking online courses. My recommendation: audit MOOCs, massive open online courses, such as the courses in edX and Coursera, or search and watch videos in YouTube. This presentation will cover edX, a prominent platform for massive open online courses, or MOOCs. As you can see from the screenshot, edX offers a wide range of courses from top universities worldwide. First, let's look at the basics. edX's website is located at https://www.edx.org/right. It was founded in 2012 by two prestigious universities, MIT and Harvard. This collaboration ensured a high standard of educational content from the very beginning. edX has experienced remarkable growth. As of 2020, over 33 million students had taken courses, with more than 3,000 courses available across various disciplines. This demonstrates the platform's popularity and wide reach. It's important to note that edX is a non-profit organization, focusing on increasing access to high-quality education globally. The platform itself runs on open-source software, although this sometimes contributes to slower loading speeds. However, this open-source nature is a core tenet of edX's mission to provide accessible learning resources. One of the most attractive features of edX is the ability to audit almost all courses for free. This means you can access course materials, including videos and readings, without paying for a verified certificate. While you won't receive a certificate of completion or access to graded assignments, auditing allows you to explore the subject matter extensively. Point to the image showcasing paid versus free options. Now, let's examine the different options when choosing a course. The screenshot shows two paths: earn a certificate, paid, and access this course, free. The free option provides temporary access to course materials and non-graded activities, such as discussion forums. This access, however, is time-limited. The paid option, however, allows for full access to all materials, including graded assignments, leading to a verified certificate upon successful completion. Additionally, access to the paid content continues even after the course officially ends. To begin a free audit of a course, you would select the Continue button, as indicated by the arrow. In summary, edX offers a unique and valuable learning experience. Its vast course catalog, non-profit status, and the free audit option make it an accessible resource for lifelong learners worldwide. We'll be looking at another prominent platform for online learning, Coursera. Coursera is another significant player in the online education space. Its website is found at https://www.coursera.org/right. The platform was founded in 2012 by Andrew Ng and Daphne Kohler, both computer science professors from Stanford University. Coursera has experienced impressive growth. As of 2021, it offered approximately 4,000 courses from 150 different institutions, and served a staggering 77 million users globally. This illustrates its extensive reach and diverse range of educational partners. Point to the for-profit bullet point. Unlike edX, Coursera operates as a for-profit organization. While this means its primary goal is to generate revenue, Coursera still offers a significant number of courses for free audit. This brings us to an important point: you can still access some courses on Coursera without paying. As you can see from the screenshot, there are two distinct options when you choose a course. On the screen, you will see an advertisement for a free trial. This gives you 7 days access to everything Coursera offers with no cost. However, there is also the free audit option. It's very tempting to simply accept the free trial, but we must be careful. It's important to emphasize, do not use your credit card, and do not start the free trial. If you accept the trial, Coursera will automatically charge you after the 7-day period. To access course materials for free without any financial commitment, you need to look for the Audit the Course option. This is often located at the bottom of the screen and, as indicated by the arrow, you should specifically look for and just push the Audit button. Auditing a course on Coursera allows you to view lectures and participate in discussion forums. However, you typically won't have access to graded assignments or receive a certificate of completion. But again, the free trial looks tempting and requires your credit card information. Do not select the free trial. To recap, Coursera is a leading for-profit MOOC platform with a vast selection of courses. While it's not non-profit like edX, Coursera still provides opportunities for free learning through auditing, which you can access by pressing the Audit button. Be very careful and remember to choose the audit option and avoid the free trial. YouTube, accessible at https://www.youtube.com/right, offers a wealth of learning opportunities beyond just entertainment. As you can see in this screenshot, numerous YouTube channels are dedicated to educational content, often presented in a course-like structure. These channels may cover specific subjects, offer tutorials, or provide in-depth lectures on various topics. A significant advantage of YouTube as a learning resource is its potential for up-to-date information. Many creators actively update their content, reflecting current trends and new discoveries, sometimes even more frequently than traditional MOOC platforms. However, it's crucial to be discerning when using YouTube for learning. Not all content is created equal, and it's essential to be aware that some videos may contain inaccurate, misleading, or even illegal information. Always critically evaluate the source and credibility of the information presented. Finally, a practical tip: consider using the Brave browser. Brave is designed to block ads and trackers, minimizing distractions and potentially harmful content while providing a smoother viewing experience. This can be especially beneficial when navigating the sometimes ad-heavy environment of YouTube. The Brave browser is not required. In conclusion, YouTube can be a valuable supplement to structured learning platforms like edX and Coursera. It offers a vast and frequently updated pool of knowledge. However, always exercise critical thinking and be selective about the channels and creators you choose to learn from. Use caution and skepticism to avoid misinformation.